time to act is now. We have waited far too long. It should never have gotten to this point.
Health officials confirmed today that 4 people in 2 South Florida counties have been infected with the Zika virus by mosquitoes here in the United States. These are the first known cases of transmission by local mosquitoes. Steve Nanas tells us what Governor Rick Scott is doing to help the people of Florida.
Florida officials say the first U.S. cases of the Zika virus transmitted by mosquitoes have been found in South Florida.
They are all active Zika cases and have not exhibited symptoms to be admitted to the hospital.
The Florida Department of Health said it hasn't found any mosquitoes in either Miami-Dade or Broward counties with the virus, but believes 4 people, 3 men and 1 woman, contracted the disease locally within 1 square mile section of South Florida.
While no mosquito traps have tested positive for the Zika virus, the Department of Health is aggressively testing people in the affected area to ensure there are no other cases of this virus.
Director of the National Institutes of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci, said Friday U.S. transmission of the virus was almost inevitable and that there will likely be more cases.
The critical issue is to make sure that those local cases don't become disseminated and don't become sustained. And the way you do that is with very aggressive mosquito abatement programs.
Since it is possible for someone to have the Zika virus and not know it, and there is no known cure, blood donation centers in the area have stopped accepting donations from people who live in the affected areas. Florida Governor Rick Scott says he's contacted the federal government for help and is allocating more funds to try and fight the spread of the disease.
Now that Florida has become the first state to have a local transmission, likely through a mosquito, we will continue to put every resource available to fighting the spread of Zika in our state.
In Washington, Steve Nana, CBS 42 News.
And so to prevent mosquito bites, people who live in Florida are being urged to wear long sleeves and repellent and to drain any standing water from around their homes.